Okay, I'm going to show you how you make a homemade airsoft grenade. First, you're going to need pellets. Then you're going to need Febreze. Then, you're going to need the rod and the speed loader thingy from the S&W M3000. Take all that, and you need some balloons. So first off, you're going to need the thing, speed loader thing. Put the balloon onto speed loader thing. And make sure you get some multiple balloons, because sometimes one will break. You don't have to get any fancy balloons, just get some cheap ones. Once you get the balloon on, you put the pellets in the speed loader type thing. Just do like one round. You don't have to do like 4 of them because the balloon will break, but you should do enough. And take the ramrod, shove it all in there. You can do like another round, but then it's kind of hard to do. Then you take it. We're gonna bring it over to the sink. Okay, you're going to need one of these faucet things that go on them. They work pretty well for the balloons. And right now what I'm going to show you is spraying the Febreze, so that way it doesn't smell very bad. Right now, you're going to take this, put it over there. Make sure you keep on holding on to the balloon. Don't just let it sit there, or else the balloon might fall off. Then you're going to take the faucet and turn it on. Don't turn it on too high, but not too low either. Pull it up to about there, depending on the balloons you have. If you get like extra big, sometimes that can go a little further. Tie up the balloon. Then you have your water grenade. Come on. We are going to show you a sweet experience. And my friend tested this, and it does hurt. If you get it close enough, they might even get water in them, but pellets are definitely better. Okay, so you just kind of get your projectile. You're going to throw it at that green wall. If you were standing anywhere by it, you would get hit by about 3 bullets. May not have been the best example, but trust me, those things work. And they're very cheap, because some of the grenades can be like $10, but that for supplies can be about maybe 5 for every 200. Okay.